Here's a daring escape that's been caught on camera. This exposes the sloppiness of the Delhi police. The accused, arrested for a cheating case and remanded to judicial custody, was being taken to Tihar jail. The visuals on your screen show how this accused asked the police to stop the rickshaw at the side of the road. The police actually do stop the rickshaw. The accused jumps out, crosses the road, hails an SUV and gets into the car and escapes. Let's go across to Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, a case of extreme carelessness by the Delhi police.
Yes, in fact, the incident happened just 500 meters away from Tihar jail. The suspect was remanded to 14 days in judicial custody. He was arrested 2 days back by the Lodi Road police station in a big cheating case. Now, in the court, the police said that the custodial interrogation is over and he should be sent to Tihar jail. The court accepted the police's plea, and when he was on his way to Tihar jail, at that point of time, he claimed that he was very thirsty and asked the cops to stop the auto rickshaw near a water cooler. Now, as soon as he came out of the auto rickshaw, there were two getaway cars waiting for him. He sat in one of them and ran away. Now, it's very clear that he had escape plans with him, and that's the reason why he so easily managed to run away from the spot. In fact, just 500 meters away from Tihar jail. The police has suspended 2 constables in this case. They have ordered an inquiry and they are carrying out raids to arrest this person. But the daring escape has been caught on CCTV in West Delhi.
Bhavtosh, now this clearly is something that the accused had planned. Now, if this is so, how was he coordinating? And is it possible that nobody in the Delhi police was aware that this was going to happen? Because you look at the visuals, this man is very calm as he's crossing the road. And like you pointed out, there are 2 cars waiting for him.
Well, in fact, the South District Police has started the probe in this entire matter, and it appears that some of his accomplices were present in the courtroom when he was being remanded to judicial custody. Now, in the courtroom, the entire planning might have taken place. That's what police have said, because his mobile phone was already seized when he was arrested. Now, from there onwards, he was taken into custody by the armed police who were accompanying him in an auto rickshaw. He was in fact remanded to Tihar jail for 14 days. At some point of time, he managed to establish contact with them. In fact, the police has said that these 2 cars that are there in the CCTV footage have been trailing this auto rickshaw for good 10 to 15 kilometers. So it's clearly it's a plan which has been made in connivance with other accused in this case, and that's the reason why the suspect had so easily he managed to run away from the custody of police personnel.